channel. Today I want to show you guys how to make jam. Now I know what you're thinking, jam? Why? I can easily buy that in the supermarket, and why waste time making jam? But I want to show you how easy it is. It is so easy to make jam, and after today I don't think you'll ever want to buy jam again. Now we all know that sugar is bad for you, right? It causes obesity, sometimes it's cancer causing, especially the processed kind, and it causes aging. But we are human after all, and sometimes we have a sweet tooth, and sometimes, we just want variety, right? Variety is the spice of life. So I'm going to show you how you can still indulge and have jam, but just have it in a more healthy way. Today I have two jams. I have the Smucker's strawberry jelly, and I have a Bon Maman strawberry preserves. I wanted to give you guys these two comparisons. Normally we see Smucker's, if you're in the US, all over the supermarkets. And let's look at some of the ingredients in here. Okay, we have strawberry juice, high fructose corn syrup, fruit pectin, and citric acid. Okay, so I don't really hear a lot of actual fruit in here. High fructose corn syrup, we know it's processed sugar, so it's definitely not the best for you. And fruit pectin is actually a naturally occurring, or generally a naturally occurring thickener. It's found in apples and other fruits, and it's used as a thickening agent. But I highly doubt that this fruit pectin is natural. Okay, and strawberry juice, citric acid, not sure how natural those ingredients are either. This has 12 grams of sugar, not bad, but again, totally processed. Next we have Bon Maman. Now this used to be my favorite whenever I wanted jam because it's fairly natural, it's pretty good, and it looks like grandma made it. It's a product of France. Let's look at the ingredients. Okay, ingredients: strawberries, all right, already getting better, sugar, cane sugar, concentrated lemon juice, fruit pectin. Okay, let's look at the sugars. 13 grams of sugar. Okay, so the Bon Maman is a little better than the Smucker's, but again, it's loaded with sugar, and it's still processed. Cane sugar is a little better than regular sugar, but at the end of the day, it's still processed, and we don't even know. Yeah, that sugar might be refined sugar. Ultimately, you really don't know what you're getting when you buy any of these products, but jam is super easy to make. All you need are 3 ingredients. You need a sweetener, a natural sweetener. You need fruit, whatever fruit of your choice, and water. That's it. You don't even need a thickening agent because you just let the jam run its course. You just let the fruit do its thing in the stove, and you'll see how easy it is to make. Now, in terms of sweetener, I prefer to use maple syrup because of all the sweeteners. Maple syrup is one of the healthiest. It's loaded with vitamins and antioxidants and minerals, and it's also very natural, the approach. It's basically sap that's taken from the maple trees, and it's boiled down slightly to remove the excess water, and then it gets into that thick consistency. And also what's really good about maple syrup is that unlike honey, which also has lots of good properties to it, it is heat resistant. So you can actually cook with maple syrup, you can bake with it, and it won't lose its nutritional value. It'll also still maintain its flavor. And also, it's just even healthier than honey. Without further ado, let's get started. And why don't you join me in the kitchen? Let's go. Okay, so we have the Smucker's jam, the Bon Maman, and our jam that we made. Let's put them to the test. Smucker's. Let's see what this is like. We see it's pretty gelatinous. I don't see any fruit. Do you see any fruit? No. Next we have the Bon Maman. Okay. So this one is better consistency, thicker, and there's a little more fruit, but still kind of gelatinous and more like just gooey, as you can see. Okay, now our jam that we made. Let's see. All right, so we see it's not translucent at all. It's not gelatinous, so it's still thick, naturally thick, as you can see. Okay, now let's put it to the taste test. So you can put this jam on top of pretty much anything. You can put it on top of bread. I like to put it with like butter or ghee. Ghee is a kind of further strained butter that removes like the lactose and the casein. So it's actually very good for people who are lactose intolerant, and it preserves even more of the nutrients. So it's very high, I believe, in vitamin K. It's like having Greek yogurt as opposed to regular yogurt. Okay, you can also put it on oatmeal, so whatever you like. So I don't have any butter or ghee, so I'm just going to try this as is. But let's see what it tastes like. Good stuff. There you have it, guys. That's all it takes to make jam. I hope you try it at home. As you can see, it's super easy to make. Simple ingredients, so you know what you're eating, you know what you're getting. You can control how much maple syrup to use. And yeah, there's no need for you to buy that gunky jelly stuff anymore. See you guys next time. Bye.